In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter or upload a budget by class into QuickBooks. We'll go through the full process from start to finish, including turning on class tracking, downloading the correct budget template, filling it out properly, and then uploading it back into QuickBooks. If you want your budget organized by class for better tracking and reporting, this is the workflow you'll use. First, you need to make sure class tracking is enabled in QuickBooks Online. To do that, go to the gear icon, then open Account and Settings. From there, click on the Advanced tab. In the Categories section, look for the option to track classes and turn it on. Once that's enabled, click Save and then click Done. This step is important because QuickBooks won't let you build or import a budget by class unless class tracking is active first. Next, you'll download the budget template you need. Go to Reports, then select Financial Planning and choose Budgets. In the Budgets area, click Import Budget. You'll then choose your financial year and select the subdivided budget format. After that, set the Subdivide by drop-down to Class. This tells QuickBooks that your budget will be broken out by class instead of being entered as one overall total. At that point, download the sample Excel template. This template is what QuickBooks expects for the import, so it's very important to use it exactly as provided. Enter your budget numbers into the file, but do not change the existing rows or columns for the accounts. Keeping the structure unchanged helps prevent import errors and makes sure QuickBooks can read the file correctly. Once your numbers are entered, save the file to a location you can easily find. Now you're ready to upload the budget file. Go back to the Budget section under Financial Planning and click Import Budget again. Select the correct time period and make sure the format is set to Subdivided by Class. Then click Next. Choose Upload Budget, browse to your saved Excel file and open it. Click Next again, and QuickBooks will show you a review screen so you can check that everything came in properly. Take a moment here to confirm the amounts and class breakdowns look right. If everything looks good, select View Budget or Save to finish the process. And that's it. Once saved, your budget by class will be available in QuickBooks for planning and comparison purposes. If you're working with multiple classes, using the template carefully and reviewing the import before saving can make the process much smoother.